If you're thinking about comprehensive car insurance, you're going to want to go with a company that's a good fit for you. We have a list of the top 10 comprehensive car insurance carriers, and this is a general top 10 list. One of these insurers may be the best fit for you, but maybe not. The only way to know which insurance company is best for you is to do your own research, and you can get started today finding out if you could save money on car insurance by going to FreeAdvice.com, heading to their insurance quote comparison tool, entering your zip code, answering some questions, and getting some quotes. So I'm gonna show you our top 10 list, and that'll give you some companies to think about and see if one of them might be right for you. We have coming in as our top provider, State Farm is at the top of a lot of lists. They are one of the biggest insurers in the United States. They often have the lowest rates. They're definitely worth considering. Coming in our number 2 spot, we have Progressive. And coming in on our number 3 spot, we have Allstate. So let's scroll down here, find out a little bit more. State Farm, ranked number 1 by FreeAdvice.com. They have a bundling discount. Now, a bundling discount is when you combine car insurance with another insurance. Typically, home insurance could be renter's insurance, but home insurance is the standard, and a lot of companies will give you a big discount for that. So if you are looking for comprehensive car insurance coverage and you're also in the market for home insurance, you could get a 17% discount if you go with State Farm. They are best for, you see this category here, they are best for customer service, and that's a big deal. When you have to file a claim, you want to deal with somebody that treats you with respect and where you get satisfaction when the claims process is over and you receive your settlement. The worst thing is if you buy insurance from a company and then they deny your claim and you have to fight it and you can't get a hold of anybody, you can't get a hold of an agent, you can't get a hold of customer service. That's frustrating. Well, State Farm is known for good customer service. And then coming in number 2 for comprehensive coverage, we have Progressive. They have a 10% bundling discount, and what they're best for is competitive rates. So if you're looking for inexpensive coverage, you might want to look into Progressive. And then number 3, we have Allstate, and they have local agents. And that's important for a lot of people, to be able to have a person, an office that they can go to, they can build a relationship with, and they can get customized insurance products for them because they're dealing with a person that knows them, that they can interact with. It's just nice to have local agents. Before we look at the rest of the list, I'm going to scroll down because we can go into more depth in each of those companies, and I'd like to do that. So looking at State Farm, number 1 on FreeAdvice.com's list, you see they have comprehensive coverage. Now, before we go any further, what is comprehensive coverage? Comprehensive coverage is the coverage for your own vehicle for damage that could happen that's not related to a crash. To find out how your rates for comprehensive coverage could differ between companies, head over to FreeAdvice.com, enter your zip code into their free quote comparison tool, and see how much you could save if you were to switch companies. Comprehensive coverage will cover vandalism, fire, damage from natural disasters like hurricanes or wildfires. And it will also cover, this is where it gets into kind of a gray area, it will cover hitting an animal. So if you hit a deer, that's covered by comprehensive. Any other collisions, like hitting a car or a building or something like that, that would be covered by collision insurance. But hitting an animal falls under comprehensive. So that is just a little reminder of what comprehensive coverage is. State Farm here, they have low monthly rates. For minimum coverage, in some places, you can get that for as low as $15 a month, and that is just crazy low. And they have a bundling option. They offer home insurance and car insurance, and it's nationwide. And the cons on them is that there's a limited multi-policy discount, so it's not as big of a discount as you'll get from some companies. And premium costs. Some things that you add to coverage may be higher than with other companies, and you'll find that could be said truly of any company. Now, moving down to Progressive, they are best for flexible plans and affordable rates and a budget-friendly tool. You may have heard it in their commercials, the Name Your Price tool. So if you have a strict budget and you know how much you can afford for coverage, you could put that into your price tool, into their price tool, and they will generate what kind of coverage you could get for what you're willing to pay. But there's cons, and one is cost variation. The rates may be a lot higher if you have any claims or crashes on your record, and sometimes they're a little slow at processing claims. Then Allstate, we talked about local agents. It's great. They have low monthly rates. They have a great optional roadside assistance, but sometimes their premiums are higher than the competition, and they may not offer as many discounts as some of the competition. Liberty Mutual, that comes in number 4. They have great competitive rates, and they have a multi-policy savings. That's like a bundling discount. And unfortunately, sometimes their rates are a little bit higher to start with, and sometimes it takes a while to process claims. Farmers has great policy options, low monthly rates, and flexibility in customizing your policy. So let's say you want collision insurance and not comprehensive. You can customize exactly what you want. You can customize the deductibles on first-party coverages. It's great. And remember that these companies that we're recommending, they may be a good fit for you, but they might not. Best thing to do is go to FreeAdvice.com, enter your zip code in their quote comparison tool, and find out if you could save by switching to a different insurance company than who you currently have. Nationwide, they have vanishing deductibles, so if you opt into that program, then every year that you don't file a claim, your deductible could get lower and lower until it disappears entirely. They have great customer service, low rates, but sometimes premiums can be unpredictable, and there's not as many discounts available as there are with some other competitors. USAA, it's a great, affordable option. It's great for the military, but only for the military and their families. So it's not available for everybody. That limited access is the greatest con that they have. Travelers comes into the number 8 spot, and they have low monthly rates and a great, easy to navigate online tool and app. It's wonderful. Unfortunately, they have slightly higher costs and sometimes a little bit slow to process claims. Then American Family is a great option for Costco members. So if you enjoy shopping at Costco, you might want to look into American Family Insurance. It is affordable. They have flexible options, but they don't have as many discounts as some other companies, and sometimes their premium levels are higher. And then coming in at our number 10 spot is the Hartford. And they have low monthly rates, and they have great benefits for senior drivers, but sometimes their starting rates are a bit on the high side and they don't have as many discounts as some of the competitors. So those are our top 10 comprehensive insurance providers. Check them out. See if one of them might be a good fit for you. And remember to head over to FreeAdvice.com. Do a quote comparison for auto insurance premiums and see how much you could save.